Now we can even comment something here. So let's come here, can enter, and then say what can we do today. So examining the dimension of the reshaped data frame. Now we can see how many rows does it have, how many columns does it have. So we can see how many columns and how many rows does this one have now. So to comment this line, we can just use control forward slash, and also you can comment this one so that it's not part of code, and then you click on forward slash, and now we start the what we have to do. So remember we use shape attribute. So as we use the shape attribute, you can just say pivoted df dot shape, then shift enter. I think that is problem. Let's fix it next lesson.